business class, French class.
French class.
And the boy was put a fart in my class.
Me? What lion fart? No, sir. No, sir. Don't like that. Don't like that. People are storing this. Yo, me lock up this food start.
He messed up with mommy.
Tanisha, fight him now. Let me see him. Fight him. Fight him. What's the fight? Fight him. Fight him.
Sorry then.
Alright.
Fight him.
Okay, let me get the card.
What you feeling? What a rush you flight and nearly run late.
Hi guys, so you see we again. So we're on the road and next day going to look for family and friends. No, today are family, yeah, family and friends. But them friends are family. We're not going to see what I go on.
So they're my friend Billy?
Yeah, they're my family.
They're my friend Billy?
Yeah, well, they're my friend Billy.
My friend Billy.
So guys, we're heading now to Long Island. I'm gonna look for my uncle and my aunt, and you know, me have a nice little baby. We had a new addition in our family, and I'm gonna see them for the first time. Although them a turn big woman now.
You're gonna see her for the first time?
See them. It's two girls.
Are two girls?
Yeah. Rochelle have one and Mark have one.
Oh,
so it's two girls.
Yeah,
so I'm gonna meet them for the first time. And then, of course, the 1 year, my Friday, him be the first time he's been a godparent. So he's gonna look for his goddaughter.
Yeah, man, me take off the shades. Gonna look for my goddaughter. You hear that? I have a goddaughter, so I'm gonna look for her. Right? Yeah, man. Guys, we're ahead from Connecticut, so it's a bit of stretch, right? 2 hours. Especially given say there's a lot of traffic on the road. So it's going to take some time, but it don't matter because the sun is high in the sky and the place bright and nice. So it doesn't really matter how long it is, especially given that we traveled like 9 hours from Canada to get here. So 2 hours
is nothing.
2 hours soft, guys. You know me, I say at this point after doing a 9-hour drive. Yeah, man.
So guys, just stay tuned and we'll see what's going on. When we're on location, we're making us see what's going on with the family. Big up on yourself.
Yeah, can't believe so this is autumn, guys. Like, just look outside, the sun is so high and we're seeing like 19-20 degrees now. It's warm, right? Based on what we are used to, this is really warm. Jay, let me see a smile, no? This nice weather, like yeah, I think Canada would be a bit colder right now, maybe showing 15 or 12 degrees, not sure.
In Ontario, that is.
In Ontario. So this is really nice weather, guys, and we're just making the best use of it and doing a little road trip. You know what I mean?
In a quarter mile, keep left at the fork to continue on I-695 South. Follow signs for I-695 South, I-295
Guys, I'm
South.
heading to Long Island.
Keep left at the fork to continue on I-695 South.
On our way to Long Island, guys. Place look nice and fresh and clean.
So guys, we're reaching Long Island now. I'm nearby my destination. Can't wait for reach. For hug up and just, you know, celebrate with my family.
Hug up and love up. Hug up and love up. Yeah, you name Mrs. Huggy.
Yes. Guys,
and kiss me, see all, I kiss all people to blows and skirt.
one life we have to live in our life short, so we have to make memories
That's
and
why you
make
have to walk and
use of
kiss.
it.
That's why you walk and kiss people.
Yes.
Hey guys, Long Island nice. Remember all out here, so too.
You remember yours?
Of course.
Really remember yours?
Yeah, my uncle used to come out to come park up. So it's a good look, guys. You know, wait for me huggy if you go hug up and do our stuff. Hey, Long Island nice still, you know. The mixture of Queens and some other place. And of course, it feel like you're an island too. Because you just drive and see the sea when you come in.
Really nice.
Yeah, man, so it's a good feeling. Everywhere me say I have a good feeling still, but it's a good feeling for real.
Everywhere with plus and minus.
For real. Feel like some real tourists. And watch your gas price as well, $3.25. Not bad. Yo, Sleepyhead, you reach. And make us see your face. Yo, Sleepyhead.
All your head massive.
You sleep the whole time. So you finally reaching the place, Rashida?
Hyper.
Very
hyper. Meet my beautiful cousin. She's Issa. So she's beautiful. Here girls, I want to take them in. And this is Tati.
No, they in the picture.
Yes, what's Tati's face? Is that beautiful, guys? And of course, she's a whole vibe. Oh my God! This is my Alexa. So she's beautiful. Oh God, she's a whole vibe.
Yeah, remember this she from Chili
Oh
Club.
God, Issa, don't you?
Quiet.
Quiet, man.
Me used to wonder, oh, she's so nice. Like, man, say, oh, she just quiet, so I'm behaving. Oh, she not getting in trouble.
Like a dope personality.
Yeah, she easy to take care of.
Tati? Yes, Tina. This is my aunt. Can you believe I'm older than her? She should call me aunt. But this is my aunt. Why are you babying me? Yeah, this is my dad's little sister. It's such a nice.
How long now you not see her? How long now you not see her?
What is it, like
5
4
years.
years?
5.
5 years?
You know,
5
5 years
years.
from 2018.
You not
4 years. Oh, 4.5. Yeah. 4 plus. 4 plus. 4 plus. But you know, Rochelle look the same though. Rochelle not age though. Mark, what you do with Rochelle? She not stressed.
Man, yeah, no age water.
Yeah,
She not stressed.
She be stressed.
she not stressed. She live good life. Cause me age one heap and she look the same.
And of course, guys, you know what about I'm a rich uncle, you know, and I don't uncle because
I saw you go general.
this is my dad's brother.
Yeah, man.
Put your little teeth fine up. I see your teeth and
She nice. But why the teeth? She the two of them nice. She nice too, you know?
I am one take her from out with him now give me this.
You're mad. You have to get your own.
So nice.
He messing with mommy.
Tanisha, fight him now. Let me see. Fight him. Fight him. Fight him. Fight him. Fight him.
No, don't do that, man.
Sorry then.
All right.
Fight him. Let me see.
Okay, let me get the card. Alright.
You say your body mom, Tanisha. Yeah.
I want to drink over here.
No age wine. They have no stress.
Celery juice.
See him? Say her in the video. Say hi, Alexa.
You are the stress.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Them not have no stress. Alexa.
What's my hands? Why?
So you see where she get that from? Now you understand why she's like that. Because of she.
Come here, let me tell you something.
Alexa is a diva.
Yeah, it's a sale. They don't do Canadian goose sale down here.
So what are we in October now?
We do?
Just a
You don't
passport.
need nothing, man. You just need
If you don't buy it, I'm gonna take your passport and I'm gonna leave you there.
Leave
I
him
don't need a
there.
passport.
Yes, you do.
Yeah, you need a passport.
Yes, you need your passport.
No, I don't.
I don't care. I'm gonna take your phone. You're not gonna call nobody.
I have a passport right here.
Yeah.
You forgot?
Are you gonna pay for somebody? I'll take
No,
your
it's
license,
a-
everything.
No, I have a passport.
It don't
right
matter.
here.
That's not it. Oh, that's the
I have a passport. Yes.
I will take your
I
license.
don't need that
You can take
passport.
me shopping.
You can't take that.
I can take your license and cut it in half.
Done. Tanisha, come do wap 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 for me.
Natalia, do the dance, you know?
Man, you look poor taxi. Come Tanisha, give me a move. Yeah. Natalia, you want another move? One for the camera. Yeah. Baby, when the bright lights start to fade. Big tune coffee. You know you're on my video, right? You know I have a YouTube channel, right? You have a YouTube channel, right? Hi Alexa. How are you, baby girl?
No.
You okay?
Guys, I'm my little daughter this the next 2 years, right, Rashi?
Yes, darling.
You get a little daughter?
Yeah, just like Alexa. Here, she's a whole vibe, guys. Miss Diva. Don't Rochelle carry Tati.
Backyard nice though.
Do it again. That was so hard.
Do it again?
Yeah.
Not afraid of nothing.
Go put me high, son.
Why is she full of energy?
Yeah.
Put me high.
You want to go high?
Yeah. Go high again. Do it again.
You get a workout, Jeremy.
I have to go play.
The Rochelle never tell me I'll have keep pool party. Wait.
The pool party.
You going to the pool?
No.
That's your car? That's your Cadillac?
No, that's my bike.
Well, you're glad you come look for your uncle?
Yeah. Guys, rich people business.
Oh, because the time get cool now. You go and start out. Mark have him nice little chill spot, man.
Yeah.
Love it. I love your suit though.
Mercedes?
Love your suit. Looking
Yeah,
good.
guys, it look good now, but the girl can come down a little bit, you know, so see body, you know.
15 pounds down. 15
I
pounds.
think 20 pounds is my aim, but we appreciate even 5 pounds. Girl, I will come down and go gym. Then, no share the phone. I'm here, bottle.
Guys, let me just tell you, I'm so ashamed. Can you imagine me have my goddaughter and she are crying in the north? This is the first time I'm getting a chance to see my goddaughter, right? My best friend. Can you call her name, my friend?
Yeah,
My best friend, Jamie James, right? This is Gianna, just to make you guys know her.
And me here.
Come here, man, come here. Come here. What
She
are you
miserable
crying?
because we come too late.
Yeah, guys, we come too
She
late.
cussing me out. Hey, baby.
Alright, that's what I'm saying.
You don't want
Yeah?
it? No, no, no.
Come here, such a
She's
girl.
annoyed by us.
Guys, I want to hide this. We're going to show her. Come.
Come here, Gianna. See? See? Look at that. Look at that, G. Sign this.
Guys, can you imagine a peer balling? I have to bring mommy come for whole her. See how they hide? Gianna, Gianna, you can imagine? We have to bring mommy come for settle you down. That's my best friend there. That's my real friend there, right? From 8th grade till now, from C-bar days till now.
So I'm sure you there, so too.
Eh?
But big up a brother and a family.
Me and the cameraman.
And again, a family.
Yeah, that's
Remember, we
true.
tell them,
That's
family.
true. That's true. Him go like him shy people, but him don't shy here. Don't make him chick, you know. Him don't shy. Him just try to fool the crowd. You see me? Big up all of the man them from Bronx straight.
Righteous.
You know what I say? Yeah man, him not rascal but him say yeah, he's righteous, he's not rascal. Yeah man, me and them man play football, the track and field when they do a Calabar straight up from 8th grade. You know what I say?
But me remember about Jamie shoes ever clean.
Yeah, ever clean. So my shoes never clean too?
Yeah, but film shoes never been. He used to wear the when name was
Scream out?
love wear the Air Force.
Oh, the Air Force.
Never been.
Yeah, me never like wear Air Force because me been Air Force for sure.
Me I wonder if I just saw him get it out of the boxing wear.
And Jamie ever neat.
Yeah.
Neat, my friend, neat.
And clean.
And the teacher them love him.
Kind of behavior.
Very, very good behavior.
Okay.
Yeah, Jamie think turn up at school. And him do him. Hey, you know Jamie have good handwriting.
Yeah.
Lord God, you was still them on the book.
Neat. I think me hear
Neat.
about it with you.
Yeah man, Jamie handwriting neat.
Nicky and joke about one time youth in the class.
A fight?
No.
Okay. Come on, Jamie fight and Jamie a perfect student, you know. Yeah man.
French class.
French class.
And the boy was cut and fart in the class.
Me? What lion fart? No sir. No sir. Don't lie that. Don't lie that. People are story this. Yo, me lock up this is a food start.
Why Jamie nasty man?
No. Nobody don't believe that.
This one you say that.
Yo, this not going to evidence thing.
And I'm in my part.
Everybody believe.
Everybody believe
Because people know Jamie for doing something like that. People know Jamie for doing that. Eh? People know. People know Jamie for doing that, right? Right, Jamie?
Mommy.
Yeah,
Go on. Yeah.
Look at him.
Bro, that's my friend.
That's your husband.
Yeah, man, she have shape and
Don't
thing.
come here, come light no
So
fire.
guys, this is our next family. One don't know about. So meet best friend and sister, right? And
Yeah.
this is our goddaughter.
My goddaughter, what you talking about?
Or goddaughter.
Alright.
If I hear in the mind, you know, easy. Gianna, give them the diva attitude. Give them the diva attitude, baby. Not here with no
Yeah,
mind, no
man.
mind.
Let me get her sit down in a good chair there. So.
Yeah, man, what's a fart, man? What's a fart?
Let me tell you something.
Man, what's a fart? See?
Story.
And through me and my part, and man turn around and say, Jamie, you nasty. So everybody I look for me and I say,
You know that story there, Jamie? Yes. Him do it for true.
Him.
No, you do it. Yes, you do it.
And she said, son family.
Yes, and that him do to me.
It's unbelievable. No, it's unbelievable.
That I'm from 9th grade,
It's two way a serial man, you know. So when him say I go so unbelievable, and when me say I go so unbelievable. Right, Jamie?
I'm from 9th grade, that's what I mean already.
Don't move your hand.
Long before you meet Rashida.
You're there.
I hear she said, it's son family.
Same thing him do to me.
Alright.
Guys, she's giving him an attitude because that's what you get when you take more than a year to visit your goddaughter. That's what you get.
Forever.
And then you come in the night. Yeah.
She's almost 2.
Yeah. So he's gonna get an attitude. She's a woman,
Guys,
right?
trust me, we should be doing
She's
this more
feminist.
often, right? Oh, I'm finally get a chance to meet Nikki as well, right? The female like she's very verbose, guys. When you hear her talking, she has all the nice words and her pronunciations are on
point,
right?
of course.
And she has a lot of arguments as well. She's to the point. So when you're talking to her,
Yes.
you always be 2 steps ahead so you can have good rebuttals, right?
Right.
And she conquer you in conversation.
And she'll challenge your
Which
ass.
is really good for Jamie.
Yes.
Right, to put him in his place.
Yes.
Rightfully so. Right, Jamie?
Keep him on his toes.
Keep him on his toes. Right, Jamie?
Yes, you gotta stay on his toes because, you know.
Yeah.
Anybody else staring to her, Nikki?
No.
Yeah.
You're there.
But it's a good look still. I feel happy for they're here with the team, you know? Yeah, man, it's a good look. Them people are really a family. You understand?
Long time.
And guys, don't feel any way. All of the guys who show before, you know, we go Brooklyn, we go Bronx, and we come back to Bronx again. And we're there. We did stop at Queens? No, we never stop at Queens.
On the borderline.
Queens.
We went through Queens. But you know, this is my friend from high school, Jeremy, touch him. From high school days, 8th grade. So can't come America
one bar life,
and they
man.
so close and link him and him family. You know what I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, and him first lady. So, as we say, guys, we are out, and thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoy the trip. You know, we brought you guys along, show you guys what we're, you know, what we do, what was happening all along. Hope you get a chance to understand us some more, cause you get to see who we know and the people and so on. So you see where roots and where we're coming from. So stay tuned and look out for the next vlog.
We're out.